There are many pieces of wisdom that are passed down from generation to generation about different herbs that chase away snakes, frogs, owls, and so on. Firstly, what do we mean by mint? The causes of the flavor of mint are mainly terpene compounds. The ratio of the different terpenes gives character to the type of mint. These compounds are on average of little interest to a snake either as a repellent or an attractant. What attracts snakes? Snakes will be attracted to places where their specific types of food preferences are prevalent. Snakes are predators, and some specialize in eating slugs, insects, rodents, birds, eggs, reptiles, frogs, and toads. Or all of the above. Mint plants are actually quite unpalatable and a lot of the normal things that snakes would eat. This also means you are more likely to find an active snake in the corn or tomato patch. Generally, the sort of snakes we get scared of are the ones that tend to eat rodents. Things that eat slugs and amphibians tend not to be very poisonous. What can we do to snake-proof the yard? Slug eaters, mole snakes, water snakes, and those other little harmless things that eat bugs, slugs, cutworms, and so on are actually very valuable to your garden. None of these are poisonous. They are also small and nearly impossible to keep out of our gardens. Snakes can climb and are remarkably agile. The easiest way to keep snakes away is to make your garden less attractive to them. Reduce food availability. If there is no food in your garden, they will come around and leave. Rodent traps are a good starting point. In addition to snakes, rats are an invasive pest and they actually eat birds' eggs and cause a lot of environmental damage. A cat also helps a lot with rats. And snakes. They eat a lot of birds too, so a cat is not purely environmentally friendly, but they do help. Put mesh on gates and other places snakes can come in. Snakes are attracted to dark cellar places, and the fact that the tumble dryer keeps that nice and warm makes it more attractive. The welded mesh is effective as it allows you to get mesh right up to the corners. A bag of zip ties and a pair of side cutters are the only things you need to fix the welded mesh into a neat snake excluder. Do mint plants attract snakes? Not really. Do snakes hate the smell of mint? Not really. How can you control snakes? Keep their food away. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.